Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. Today's topic is simplification of rational expression, which is from class 10 compulsory maths, and this question is frequently asked in examinations. So here we go. Dear students, the question is simplify x plus y divided by x minus y plus x minus y divided by x plus y. Dear students, in this question we have to simplify a rational expression. Solution. Dear students, the question is x plus y divided by x minus y plus x minus y divided by x plus y. So in this question we are given two rational expressions and we have to simplify and change into simplest form. That means we have to change into lowest form. So dear students, at first we have to take the LCM of denominators. The LCM of denominators, that means we have to take the LCM of x minus y and x plus y. The LCM of x minus y and x plus y is x minus y times x plus y. Dear students, after taking the LCM of denominators, we have to divide the LCM by each denominator. That means we have divided x minus y, x plus y by x minus y. So when we divide x minus y by x plus y, then x minus y and x minus y will cancel. Then the remaining factor will be x plus y, and this x plus y will multiply the numerator of the first rational expression. So let's write down x plus y as it is. So when x minus y, x plus y is divided by x minus y, then x minus y and x minus y will cancel. Then the remaining factor will be x plus y. So x plus y will multiply the numerator. So dear students, will get, after dividing the LCM by denominator, we get x plus y, and x plus y we have to multiply with the numerator. Dear students, now again we have to repeat the same process. The denominator of the second rational expression, or we can say the denominator of the second part, is x plus y. So according to the rule of simplification of rational expression, the LCM we have to divide by the denominator. So when we divide the LCM, that means x minus y, x plus y, when we divide by x plus y, then x plus y and x plus y will cancel. Then the remaining factor will be x minus y. So dear students, now this x minus y will multiply to the numerator. So let's multiply x minus y times x minus y. Or we can follow the shortcut process also. So dear students, after taking the LCM of denominators, directly we can do crisscross also. That means after taking LCM of denominators x minus y and x plus y, we can multiply x plus y with x plus y, and again plus the middle sign will be as it is, x minus y will multiply with x minus y. That means by doing crisscross also we can get the terms of the numerators. Dear students, but we have to be careful. We can do crisscross only when there is no common in the denominators. If the denominators they do not have the common factor, then only we can follow the crisscross method. So dear students, so always keep in the mind, it is better to use the basic rule. The basic rule is we have to take the LCM of denominators, and after taking the LCM of denominators, we have to divide the LCM by each denominator. That means first we divide the LCM by the denominator of the first rational expression, and again we divide the denominator by the second rational expression, and after dividing the term or the factor which we get, we have to multiply to the numerators. So this is the basic rule. So dear students, now let's go to the next step. So x minus y and x plus y, we can combine. We know that the formula of a square minus b square is a minus b times a plus b. So it is same as a minus b times a plus b. So according to the formula, the product of a minus b and a plus b is a square minus b square. So we can write x minus y and x plus y. The product of x minus y and x plus y we can write as x square minus y square. Dear students, now x plus y times x plus y. X plus y multiplied by x plus y will get x plus y whole square, and again x minus y, x minus y. If we multiply, then we get x minus y whole square. So dear students, now let's go to the next step. So dear students, let's go to the next step. Now x plus y whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, and we know that if we expand a plus b whole square, then we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's use the formula of a plus b whole square, and here let's use the formula of a minus b whole square in the expanded form. So we know that a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. A means the term x and b means the term y. So supposing x and y as a and b, and using the formula of a plus b whole square, we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means we get x square plus 2xy plus y square minus, let's expand x minus y whole square. So dear students, we know that the formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means x square minus 2ab means 2xy plus b square means y square. And we keep the denominator as it is. So dear students, so after expansion of x plus y whole square, we have got x square plus 2xy plus y square. The middle sign minus we have to keep as it is. By the expansion of x minus y whole square, by using the formula of a minus b whole square, we get x square minus 2xy plus y square. Dear students, now let's open the bracket with minus sign. So x square plus 2xy plus y square as it is, then minus x square, minus plus minus, minus minus plus. So we have to multiply each term which are in the bracket with the minus sign. So minus plus minus y square. So this is, so after multiplying the terms inside the bracket with minus sign, we have got minus x square minus minus plus 2xy minus plus minus y square. Dear students, now let's cancel the like terms. Dear students, x square and minus x square, they are equal but opposite in sign. So x square minus x square we can cancel. That means x square minus x square will be equals to 0. So we can cancel x square and minus x square, we can cancel, plus y square and minus y square, again we can cancel, because they are equal but opposite in sign. Now 2xy plus 2xy, the remaining terms are 2xy plus 2xy divided by x square minus y square. Dear students, now after adding 2xy and 2xy, we get 4xy because they are like terms. So 2xy plus 2xy, we get 4xy divided by x square minus y square. So dear students, this is the required solution of the question number 1. So thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with the new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.